"1971 was an interesting year in the automotive world. Imports, the EPA, and gas prices sent U.S. auto manufacturers to the design table, and we came away with cars like the Pinto and the Vega. AMC, being the poor cousin, used a less than elegant solution and basically cut a car that they were already making, the AMC Hornet. Well, they cut it in half, so to speak. In fact, one of the early Gremlin designs was called the Wasp, sticking with the bee theme. In spite of the funky design, it found its way into the hearts of many, including the street rod crowd. Hot Wheels used the model 3 times, in 1971 as the Open Fire, the Gremlin Grinder, and of course the Grease Gremlin in 1979. This is the Gremlin Grinder. It was released during the era where it seemed like hyperbolic engines were all the rage in die-cast cars from several different manufacturers. Mattel produced this one from 75 to 77, and then released a retooled version in 2008 and 2009. I started this project in May as something I was going to do for Redline Month, and then summer came. At any rate, I finally finished it, so stick around.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota, and fell apart south of Salt Lake. Washington will always be begging for a piece of me to stay. Maybe some things never change.